everybody. So today we are going to make some homemade pancakes. So what I've added inside my mixing bowl is some flour, just about 2 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar that's been added already, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder that's done already. So then we mix it all together, and so now we're going to move on to our wet ingredients. So I'm going to add my 2 eggs into the jar. Okay, so while my tasty wheat is cooking, so this morning we're having tasty wheat and homemade pancakes for breakfast. I'll just whisk my eggs nice and runny. Then I'm going to add in my vanilla essence. About 1.5 teaspoons, just for an extra vanilla flavor. Whisk that in. It smells so delicious. Okay, so then I'm going to add my milk. I like long life milk. You can use any kind of milk. It can be full cream, low fat. Generally full cream makes it a bit more creamier and nicer. So, but low fat's fine too. We whisk all of that together. I add in extra milk as needed, depending on how the dough looks. So here is my dry mixture, so I'm going to mix my wet and dry. However, I do add a little bit of water as well, since it is full cream milk. Usually with the low fat milk it's quite watered down, so you don't really need to add water. But there we go. So now we're mixing our wet and dry. Just give it a good stir. It's a bit too stiff, so we need to add some more. So now I think everything is nice and mixed together now, and we're just going to leave it in the fridge for about 5 minutes for the dough to set. We can fry it. Yay!
Record.
Okay, so ideally we use cook and spray, but today we don't have that, so we will be drizzling some olive oil. So you just drizzle some olive oil lightly in the pan, spread the pan, make it all oily. And please don't do this while it's on the heat, you're going to burn your fingers. Okay, so we're going to leave it there to heat up a little bit. Our dough is just about ready. So once the pan is heated up, we will then begin to fry our first pancake. Here's our tasty wheat. Okay, so now that the worst one is out of the way, remember guys, first pancake's always the worst. We can move along to number 2, and they just get a whole lot better as you start frying them. So you put in some dough, and then you will spread it. Lift the pan slightly and spread the dough. This one looks delish, perfectly shaped. Okay, so now we have some tiny bubbles, and we're going to give it a slight lift. Try not to break the pancake, and flip. There we go. Last one done. I'm just going to fry up some bananas, because I like my pancakes with fried bananas. We're going to have our pancakes with fried bananas. You can have it with cinnamon and sugar, or you can have it with good old syrup. Whichever one you choose. Some do prefer having it with jam too. So, oh well, there's so many ways you can have your pancakes. Hope you guys enjoy that one.